Hello students of class 5, let us begin with our maths class once again. So after having completed 3 chapters, let us move to yet another chapter, that is patterns. Now patterns you have done in your previous class also. Now we have patterns all around us in our surrounding and in our environment. If you observe or if you think about a tiger, the tiger's body also has patterns on that, that is stripes, and there are many other animals where you will see patterns. Nowadays the floors have patterns, the tiles are laid in some patterns. Okay, likewise in mathematics we will deal with patterns. Now here you have figures arranged in patterns, and here are some numbers arranged in patterns. Now first one you see, for example, one triangle, one rectangle, circle, again a triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle, circle. So this is what is following a particular sequence. Now this type of sequences, these are patterns. Likewise in number series we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now here too, if you think about 3 minus 1, 2. Again next number, 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. So see, in each cases the gap is of 2. So all of them, they form a number series, and this 2 is a pattern. So now let us see types of patterns. One is repeating pattern. Now what is repeating pattern? In a repeating pattern, a unit of repeat appears again and again. We can extend such a pattern by identifying the unit of repeat. For example, here is a circle followed by 2 triangles, then a circle followed by 2 triangles, a circle followed by 2 triangles. Now what will be the next? In this pattern or in this series, if you move forward, again the next unit of repeat is circle and followed by 2 triangles, so that should follow. So here the unit of repeat is a circle and 2 triangles. So this pattern can be extended further by putting the unit of repeat at every step. Every step, successive step, will put the unit of repeat, that is a circle followed by 2 triangles. Next is number 2, growing pattern. In a growing pattern, each term grows or increases by certain amount than its previous term. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if you observe them, the number is growing. So this is a increasing or growing pattern. And here the same number 2 is added to each number to get the next. In this case, if you see 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, and likewise we can find the other number in this series or in this pattern. Now number 3, shrinking pattern. Shrink means to reduce or to become less in size, decrease, that is shrink. So our shrinking pattern can be extended by knowing the amount each term shrinks or reduces or decreases than its previous term. For example, in this, if you see these beads, there are 16 beads here, 4 rows, then we had 3 rows, now only 2. So next, if you repeat it, next will be with only 1 row, so there will be only 4 beads left. So this is shrinking pattern. Now number 4, triangular number. Now triangular numbers. Triangular numbers are a sequence of numbers that can be represented by a pattern of dots that can be arranged to form bigger and bigger triangles. It is a progressive pattern. Progresses and gets bigger and bigger in size. Now we will see the example for triangular numbers. So here is the example for triangular numbers. Now see, for example, here is 1 dot, then 3, then 6, then 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dots. So likewise it will increase in size. It is a progressive pattern. Now so the number pattern is 1, 3, 6, 10, and likewise it goes on. If you see 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So we can get triangular pattern by these numbers. So these are triangular numbers. The numbers being added every time follow a pattern. In this case, they are, in the first case we are adding 2 to get the next, and now to the next we will add 3, then add 4, add 5, similarly add 6, add 7, and we will go on getting triangular patterns or triangular numbers. Then coming to square numbers. Now square numbers are a sequence of numbers that can be represented by a pattern of dots that can be arranged to form bigger and bigger squares. It is a progressive pattern. For example of square numbers, see, first you have 1 dot, we have 4 next to form a square, next 9 dots to form a square, then 16 dots to form a square. So the number pattern is here 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on it will go. So the number being added every time follow a pattern. They are plus 3. That means 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 9 plus 7 is 16. Next to get will be 16 plus 9, 25. So moreover 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 they will be. They are also known as a square number. So these are square numbers, and that is how we end today's pattern class. Now you will get something for homework. Thank you.